Hi guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another of my videos. Today's video, we're gonna work with this palette. It's gonna be kind of like a review. This is the By Your Lashes Cosmetics palette, the Dreambook palette, and I think like they released this palette not so long ago. So I'm gonna be doing the look that I have right now with this palette. I'm not gonna do swatches because it has a lot of eyeshadows. It has 63 eyeshadows, I think. I'm gonna like tell you how much palette it has, if it has good pigmentation, how easy it is to work with if you're not an expert with makeup. So I hope that you really like this video, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And I don't want to make this intro so long, so without further ado, let's jump into the video. So this is what the palette looks like. It's really big because it has around 63 eyeshadows. Like you can see here, you have like almost every color that you could need, and it has a combination of matte and glitter shimmery shade, and they have like really good pigmentation. I actually found out about this palette thanks to a TikTok. This girl was kind of like swatching these colors, so I fell in love with it and I wanted to try it. I discovered it because of my friend that she sent me that TikTok, and I got her this palette for her birthday and also wanted to try it for myself. So let's start with the look. I'm gonna do something very colorful. I'm gonna use some pink eyeshadows and the yellows because I feel like the yellows are the harder to make and to get a good pigmentation from. So we're gonna see how they act. And I'm gonna start off by using this shade right here, Dreamer. I'm probably gonna combine it with Fairy Tale, this two right here. And I'm not gonna do swatches because there are so many colors, so that will take forever. So we're just gonna see like how they act on my eyes. And I already have my foundation on, and I applied some primer, and I will be applying this eyeshadow all over my eyelid. Hopefully they don't have a lot of fallout because I already have my foundation on, don't want to ruin it. I'm just doing like some taps, and I can see it has really good pigmentation. Like you can see, I've applied a lot of that pink eyeshadow and I have no fallout over here, so I really like these eyeshadows. I'm gonna apply a little bit more so I have that color more concentrated, and we can move on to that yellow eyeshadow. Okay, now that I have this color, I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is called Out of This World. This is an orange shade, and I'm gonna apply that like a transition shade. So I'm gonna put it like over here. So I want that transition to be like pink, then kind of orangey, and then the yellow shadow. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this Out of This World. I'm already like having that transition. You can see I have like a little bit of orange right here. Now I'm gonna apply some yellow on top of that one, and that way I can have kind of like an ombre between those colors. If my hair is looking crazy, it's because I made the mistake of trying to get bangs for this new year and they messed it up. So now I'm trying to grow them out, and it's so hard to keep them out of my face and not looking bad. But anyway, back to the makeup. Now that I have like that combination of colors, I'm also gonna add some of the pink eyeshadow with the orange one on my lower lash line, and then we can do eyeliner. Okay, so I think I do have like a little bit of fallout here, but it's minimal. So I'm just gonna clean that out with some concealer. And I have right here the ColourPop concealer on the shade Medium 26. I'm gonna apply some just to clean that up a little bit. And I don't want to get rid of my eyeshadow on the lower lash line, so I'm gonna be super careful with that. Now we can move on to eyeliner, and I'm using the Hacking Harry eyeliner. I got this on one of my boxy charms and I love it. It's so easy to apply and so easy to play with. So I'm gonna do a wing eyeline. I used to have to stretch my eye up tiny bit to be able to do my wing eyeliner, but not anymore. Like this makes everything so much easier. I will now add some pink eyeliner on my lower lash line to help that eyeshadow that we applied there. And this one is from LA Girl. It's super affordable. It's a drugstore product and I think it's really good. Now with this look, you can either do your normal lashes with mascara or you can do falsies, and I think I'm gonna go and apply some false lashes. I have these ones right here. These are from Lily Lashes and this is a collaboration that they have with BoxyCharm. So I'm gonna apply this ones. And this one actually came in my friend's box, but I exchanged them for a lipstick that I didn't like and she didn't love these lashes, so we exchanged them. And these are a bit dramatic, like these aren't lashes that I would use for an everyday look, but I think they will look very good with the makeup that we have right now. I think lashes do so much for your makeup. Like if you're unsure of how your eyeshadow looks, just add lashes and it will like change everything, honestly. And I really like using falsies because I think like it opens my eye a lot, and I don't know, I think they look so pretty. Now that I'm done with the eye look, I want to go ahead and continue with my face. So I'm gonna apply some blush, and I have here the Nude blush on the shade Desert Rose, and this one is like very pigmented, so I will have to like tap it and make sure that I don't have that much on my brush. And I'm gonna add a little bit of highlighter from the Charlotte London highlighter. It's a confetti highlighter on the shade Confetti. And for lipstick, I'm gonna use the Kylie Jenner's lipstick. This is the Ulta Beauty Matte lipstick, and they are kind of good. Like they're not my favorite. They have really good smell. They're super soft. They are not like very dried out. But because this lipstick doesn't over dry your lips, it tends to smudge. Like for example, if you eat something or if you drink something, it can like smudge all over. So that's like one thing I don't like about this lipstick, but it smells so good. And so yeah, this is the final look. I love the pink eyeshadow. I think it has like great pigmentation. It's so easy to work with. If you're not like an expert with makeup, I think this palette would be very good for you. It has so many colors that you can try out, and if you're not that comfortable with color, this will help you to play with some colors. And this palette retails for $35 if I'm not mistaken, which I think is kind of like in the middle between high-end makeup and drugstore makeup. It's really good and it's not that expensive for all the colors that it has. The only downside of this is that it's kind of like a small brand or a small store, because they took a whole month to deliver this palette. So but like yeah, like overall I think it's really good. Just make sure that you order on time, and sometimes like they run out of stock. So yeah, I hope that you really like this look. I hope that you really like this video and this makeup look. And if you recreate it or if you do any look with this palette, please tag me on my social media. I'm gonna give you the links down below in the description box. And I hope to see you on more of my next videos. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notifications bell button. Bye guys!